Hey guys, my name is Luiz Castro from Mechanic Industries, and I'm here to show you one of my favorite routines called the flat purse. So it's a coin pop out of the card that comes with the Optricks deck, and all you need is pretty much the card and a grinder coin. So if you have collusion, you can use that. If you just have one of those coins, the grinder coins, you can use it. If you bought ignition, it comes right with the coin, the chain, you can still use it. Let's say if you're a performer for like a street magician, this is perfect for you. Quick, fast, no language barrier. It's just pure visual. If you're a restaurant worker, you don't have to ask them to pick a card, to touch, to do anything. You can just literally show this and boom, going straight into the routine and get some good reactions out of it. It's endless, the possibilities with this. So I'm just gonna show you the quickest routine that I do, that I think it packs a lot of punch, goes from beginning to end and super clean, and that's flat purse. So grab your gaff and your coin and let's start. To do a flat purse, I usually wear a shirt with a pocket here, okay? It makes my life a little easier and I can leave the card protruding that way. If you have just jeans and if you have a shirt like this, you can just put it on a side or on a vest that you can put in here as long as it hides the other side. Now the move here is pretty simple, the pop out move. When I take this out of here and I'm finger palming the coin on my left hand, I'm gonna take the card on the coin on my left hand, and I'm gonna hit it on my hand, but my hand is empty. So I hit it, I'm like, dang it, I can get it. Now I look and I take this and I go a little stronger now with my right hand. Now I'm gonna use an inverted Ramsey subtlety here, and as I'm going back and forth, you can see that my index and my middle fingers is holding the card, and my thumb of course in the back. As it's going here, my index finger is going to switch to the back and my thumb is going to rotate that card, but it happens here. So you go, and if you shake it a few more times, it's hard to see that the coin is not there anymore. Now it's going to be very useful in a second, because as you do this hand literally is going to toss the coin up a little, and I usually toss back, so the card when it flips is going to hit that coin and it's going to fall into my hand. So look something like that, okay? And I'm trying to go do a little bit slower here, but it's hard to do it slow. So you shake it and you say, well, I can get the coin out. Boom. Now you have the visual pop out. Once you do the visual pop out, now you're going to go into some very basic but very powerful moves. The first one that I use with this is just a French drop and a flyaway coin from Frank Garcia, which is also on Bobo. So the whole thing goes like this. You're taking the coin, you show it on the hand, you vanish, and whoop, it falls in your hand. Now to do this, you do a French drop. You act like you're going to take the coin, but it drops into your finger palm as your hand come out. Now this is your situation right now. Now as I'm doing this and I'm here, this hand is going to squeeze the coin into the palm of my hand. I'm not going to classic palm this coin, okay? I'm just going to leave it sitting in the palm of my hand, and I'm going to scissor those two fingers like this. So it's almost doing a classic palm here with a Fred cap subtlety, I'm sorry, like that, but you're literally just resting this in the palm of your hand and scissoring this. So the French drop position, you're starting from here. This is how it should look like. Here, you squeeze, you scissor the fingers, toss, boom, and then it falls, okay? And the fall is literally, if it doesn't hit right on your fingertips, it can just fall, whoop, just like that, and it's hard for their eye to follow, The second part of it, which is also super simple, it's just a retention vanish. So you can kind of do the David Roth vanish style when it goes to finger palm. I like the one that goes into front clip. Okay, so to explain it quickly, as you're closing your hand, this fingers just literally sweep the coin onto the front clip. It's pretty much the same thing, but my middle finger comes and pull the coin in. This is also known, popularized by Kainoa Heart Bottle, called the edge flip. He goes into edge palm or edge grip. So I come over here, boom, and take the coin. Now I keep this in front clip because I want to toss and do that. Depending on the situation, even with my steel, I vanish and I make it appear. So depending how your style is. So there's days that I want to go faster. There's days that I want to just vanish and then make it reappear. So again, it's here, boom, you have this, you vanish, reappear, or the other phase of this is the Milton Kort drop vanish. So literally you're holding this and you're just gonna drop it in your hand, okay? But you're gonna retain the coin. Kainoa also does that, and he's a master at it. But what I do here, I'm just pulling with my thumb a little bit and guiding it to the finger palm. Okay, so I know it's hard to see it, but okay. But now if you do the coin, if you toss the coin for real, you feel that. So get used to do this motion with your wrist. So you show the coin, do the move. Now you pretend that you have it, and you look and you produce the second coin. Now you have like one ahead. Actually no, it's one behind. Now I do the vanish here. I act like I'm vanishing this coin. And it goes right into a thumb palm. So I vanish this and I toss this coin in here. The thumb palm that I use is basically David Roth. So I'm here and I curl my fingers. And that goes straight into thumb palm. Okay. So 1, 2. 1, 2. So you're here. Do the move. Now this hand is going to come up to pick up the card. So this is doing the thumb palm. You're going to do the Bobo complete vanish. But at the same time, you're going to pick up the card. So as you go, you're going to drop the coin into the pocket, pick up the card, everything in one motion. Now you're clean. You got nothing in the hand, you got the card over here. So what I do is I give a little flick, and I do the same move that I did before. But as I do that flick, my hand's going to go up in front of that card, and it's going to act like I'm going to toss the coin back. So I do that flip. So it's just a little flick here. It's just one. You're not doing too many. It's just like literally this. But you're also doing this with the hand. So kind of looks like that. And you're done. So now once you are done over here, I just put this right back into my pocket. And I'm super clean. Again, if you don't wear a pocket, you can do this in your jeans. You can do this in a vest. It's literally limited by your imagination. So that's flat purse. It's a quick routine that I do. Hope you enjoyed this little tutorial. And keep checking back. There's a lot of more stuff coming. And hope you enjoyed that. Have a good one.